76. Mine gray up to medium, madam, for only 76 pesos. Mine gray, madam, medium for only 76. Next one, madam.
Mayan, great. Adam, this one, large to XL. Large to XL for only 76. Dam, ang ganda nito, dam. Pang cover up sa beach. Mine sample. Mine sample, large to XL for only 76 pesos. Mayan sample, large to XL, 76. Sample. Next up, madam.
Mine sample. Down this one, large, madam. Large, madam, for only 76 pesos. Mine zipper. Mine zipper up to large, madam, for only 76. Mine zipper up to large, madam, for only 76. Mine zipper, large. Next up, madam.
Mayan zipper. Hello, Madam LSFC Dan. Good morning, Dam. Happy Friday, Madam. When mo mag-shorts? Uy, Madam LSFC, wala pa schedule. Pero hapit na. Hapit na good, Madam. Hapit na. Mo-announce lang ni Puhon, Dam, ha? Kay nagkuan kami sa schedule, Madam, kung kanus agita maka-live. Pero don't worry, kay kung mag-shorts na, Madam, mag-post na og teasers, Madam, sa ato ang shorts. Now, this one, cardigan blazer, small to semi-med. Up to semi-med for only 76. Mine, enjoy. Mine, enjoy, up to semi-med, 76 pesos. Mine, enjoy, up to semi-med, 76. Enjoy! Next up, Madam.
Mine enjoy. Down this one, papulka siya, madam, for only 76. Mine pulka. Mine pulka, medium, madam, for only 76 pesos. Mine pulka, up to medium, for only 76. Mine pulka, medium, 76. Next time, madam.
Mayan pulka for only 76 pesos. Madam, next wala pa tayong date sa ating shorts, Madam, pero malapit na. Ano lang, Madam, anong tawag dito? Magpo-post lang tayo ng teaser. Kasi kailangan pangandaman sa natatong teaser sa atong shorts, Madam. Madam, next Madam, for only 76. Dam, up to semi-large. Dam, guwapa kainig tela. Up to semi-large for only 76 pesos. Mayan, 5'7". Mine, 5'7", up to semi-large, 76 pesos. Mayan, 5'7", up to semi-large, 76, 5'7". Next naman.
Mine 5'7". Down this one, medium to semi-large. Medium to semi-large for only 76 pesos. Mine Suki. My Suki, medium to semi-large for only 76. My Suki, medium to semi-large for only 76. Suki. Next, madam.
Maya, Suki, oy dam, gopanig talagang malambot. For only 76 pesos, Madam, medium. Up to medium, malambot ang tela. Mine sugar. Mine sugar, up to medium. For only 76 pesos. Mine sugar with front pocket, medium. Next, Madam.
Mine
Sugar.
Down this one, medium. Medium, madam, for only 76. Mine all. Mine all, madam, up to medium for only 76 pesos. Mine all, up to medium for only 76. Mine all. Next one.
Mayan, all for only 76. Adam, this one, up to semi-med. Adam, small to semi-med for only 76 pesos. Mayan, animal. Mine, animal, small to semi-med for only 76 pesos. Mayan, animal, up to semi-med, 76. Animal, up to semi-med. Next naman.
Mine animal. Down this one, medium. Medium, madam, for only 76 pesos. Mine whitey. Mine whitey, up to medium for only 76. Mine whitey, up to medium for only 76. Mine whitey. Next, madam.
Mayan, whitey. Madam Jen Jen. Yours is the animal, Madam Jen. Please go screenshot, Madam Jen Jen. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Next time, Madam. For only 72. Now, you will my turn. Adam, next time, Madam. For only 76. Adam, up to semi-med. Adam, this one, up to semi-med for only 76. Mayan, mapa. Mine, mapa, madam. Dam, ang ganda nito, madam. Ang ganda din ng kulay, malambot ang tela. May mapa up to semi-med. For only 76. Mapa, next naman.
My mapa, that is one medium. Medium, madam, for only 76 pesos. My shot, madam, up to medium. For only 76 pesos. My shot, medium, for only 76. Next, madam.
Mayan shot. Uy, Dom, this one, ang ganda. For only 76. Dom, super nice to Dom. Gusot na siya, Dom, pero Dom, meron siyang emboss. For only 76 pesos, semi-large. Up to semi-large is 76. Mayan program. Mayan program, semi-large, madam, 76 pesos. Super nice to, madam. Mayan program, lalo na kung closer look, Dom, ha. Meron siyang emboss. Mayan program, semi-large, 76. Next naman, madam.
My program, that is one medium to large. Medium to large for only 76 pesos. Mine closer, medium to large for only 76. Mine closer, medium to large for only 76. Mine closer. Next time.